You've reached the final video of our ColorwayXpress Complete Beginner Guide series. In this video, I will introduce the simulation features of ColorwayXpress. With these advanced simulations, you can save both time and money. Here are the simulations you will learn: fabric texture simulation, halftone simulation, and screen calibration. Fabric texture simulation. Import the image of the fabric texture you want to simulate in TIFF, PSD, or PSB format from the File Import Design menu as if you were importing a design. Once the import is complete, click on the blue Archive button to save this fabric texture file. You will then need to select Pattern Archive from the Archive options. You can also create colorways by opening these fabric textures as if you were opening a design. Then, open the design which you want to add a fabric texture. Click the Add Fabric Texture button in the right column of the Properties window. In the Texture section of the window that opens, you will see the fabric textures you have previously imported into your pattern archive. Select the fabric texture you want to simulate. If you have created different colorways of the fabric texture, you can also select the colorway of the fabric texture you want to simulate from the Colorways section. Then adjust the blend mode, opacity, and scale of the texture as you wish. Set the position of the texture to above or below the design in the Texture on Top section. You can toggle the visibility of the simulation in the Visibility section of this window. Halftone simulation. This feature simulates the halftone effects generated by conventional printing, and it also simulates the spread of the ink bleeding. From the Tools menu, we add the custom halftone simulation settings to your ColorwayXpress for you. You can contact our service if you want to add a simulation setting. After we add the halftone simulation setting to your ColorwayXpress, right-click on the Colorway General and click on Add Halftone Simulation to add that simulation to your colorway. Then you have to select an halftone simulation setting from the Simulation section on the opened window. You can also make separate settings for each channel and apply these settings to the colorways that you want by clicking Apply this setting to selected colorways. If you click Apply, the halftone simulation will only be added to the opened colorway. You can adjust the visibility of the added halftone simulation by clicking Halftone Simulation from the View menu. And finally, I will give you information about screen calibration. Screen calibration calibrates your screen and print machine. Color samples from your digital prints are transferred to ColorwayXpress with the ICC profile system so that you can create a print simulation. This process reduces your test prints by up to 90% by matching your screen and fabric. To calibrate the screen, you must first scan the fabrics you printed with your calibration device and create an ICC profile file. After that, if you send this file to us, we can add this file to ColorwayXpress for you. If you do not have a calibration device, you can get calibration service from us. Please contact us for detailed information. After the profile has been added to the software, you will then be able to access the screen calibration settings by right-clicking on the profile system at the bottom right corner of ColorwayXpress. After that, select the setting that you want to display on the screen. Now you can see how the colors change according to the screen profiles. You can disable the visibility of the profile setting by right-clicking on the Profile System section and selecting Disable Profile System. And there is a profile button between the zoom changers. If you have activated any screen calibration setting, you can deactivate this setting for the selected colorway by clicking this Profile button. Tram simulation and screen calibration are custom prepared for the company and set up by us. These simulations are based on the fabrics that need to be printed, which are sent to us, and personalized calibrations are prepared for the company and loaded into your software. For activating these simulations, please contact us. Congratulations! You've completed all the videos in our ColorwayXpress Beginner Guide series. Thank you so much for joining us. We're so happy to have you on this journey. Can't wait to see what you create.